Next, continuation to the another method for determination of surface tension. This method is useful for determination of surface and interfacial tension of liquids and it is also called as Jonoid tensiometer method, torsion balance or Jonoid balance method. By the use of this method, having numerous advantages, rapid determination. By the use of this method, small quantity of sample is needed. The principle is force necessary to detach a platinum or iridium ring from the surface or interface of a two immiscible liquids is proportional to surface or interfacial tension. The force is equal to surface or interfacial tension. The platinum or iridium ring wire ring of about 4 centimeters in circumference is suspended from the loop attached to a scale through a torsion wire. The liquid whose surface tension is to be determined is taken in pan and the position of pan is adjusted so that ring just touches the surface of the liquid. The torsion on the wire is increased gradually so that ring just detached from the surface of the liquids. The force required to detach the ring is noted in dynes from the graduated scale. This detachment force is equal to surface tension is multiplied with perimeter of the liquid detached. P is equal to weight is equal to 2 pi into R1 plus R2 into surface tension, where P is equal to pull adjusted by the torsion wire. Upward pull is dial reading in dials, downward pulling is perimeter of the liquid detached. So surface tension is equal to dial reading in dials by 2 pi r into 2. By adding correction factor for obtaining the accurate results, the above equation can be adding correction factor. Surface tension is equal to dial reading into dynes divided by 2 pi r into 2 into correction factor. For determination of interfacial tension, the ring is detached from the interface between two immiscible liquids. For determination of surface tension by using Jonoid ring method, some precautions must be taken. The wire should be absolutely clean. The ring should be horizontally in the plane surface. The vessel containing liquid should be large so that it does not influence the shape of the liquid raised by the ring. The temperature should be maintained constant throughout the experiment. These are the precautions for maintaining the surface tension determined by using Jonoid tensiometer. Thank you.